Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the YouTube stream for everyone that's watching over here. You're going to be a fly on the wall once again with us for the Legacy Wealth Society. So ask your questions. I'll try to get to them, but I am focused on the community first. But you guys can listen, partake, and I hope this session helps you. Well, let me get back to the community and welcome to the stream. Yeah, as it sits right now, guys, we're currently above the VWAP. The 21 EMA is above us now, so gotta pay attention to that. As it sits, let me see where it close was. Yesterday's close is down at 23,092. So we may push back down, tap that close from yesterday, and then it could start pushing back up. But as it sits right now, we got the pivot point right above us, and we know that's a magnet at the 23,193.75. So keep that in mind. We're going to play it safe today. Still having my connection issues with my Tradeify and take profit on the Tradeivate, but I do have funded accounts with Apex, so I'm going to be trading those until 10 o'clock because I found out 10 o'clock's when Tradeify and Take Profit, their server refreshes, so I'll be able to get on and trade those accounts at that time. So with that being said, I'm ready to go. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am today because yesterday was a good day. Today's going to be even better.
I'm not gonna lie, I want to trade. So I was gonna ask it, like, if I were to place a trade through the Venture Trader app, right? What would I click? Would I click the buy ask? Because it's kind of different.
Yeah.
It says buy market, and then it says sell market, and then I think it says sell bid and buy bid.
Well, you can always do the sell bid, and honestly, I would just do buy market.
Buy market and then sell market?
Yeah. Well, you could do buy market or sell market, or you could do buy market and sell bid.
Oh, buy market and sell bid. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey Dave, you gotta let me know how that goes because I've been kind of curious, so let me know how that goes for you.
We're going to use you as a guinea pig.
Well, no, I'm not. No. Too much respect for that. I'm just saying. It's like, they always say to have multiple, internet things, and I do have the fiber, but it's like as a backup, I want to be sure that I have that going so I can cut something off or something.
Yeah, true. Yeah, because you could close it. I tried it this morning, but I was trying to make sure like which one is better because it has those two options. So I hope it goes good because
just got that bear flag on the 1 minute and the 2 minute right there. Looking at that.
See a bear flag on the 3 minute too.
Okay.
Buy market, sell market, join as. It says join as, join bid. The sell market, buy market.
Dave, what's going on with OJ? He's been driving late. Don't know if you.
His schedule been kind of off.
Okay. Next time you talk to him, let him know we miss him.
Yes.
All right, no problem.
Actually, I can shoot him a message in the Community.
Wait a second, you're actually in a message coming in the community? Hold on a second, I need to sit down.
Got that selling pressure. I feel like when the market opens, it's going to try pushing down. Because those wicks have a lot of selling pressure on top of them. So, $20 more seconds and the market will be open.
I was just kidding, Duane. I know you answer yourself.
It's okay. It's okay, Steve. I get it. I get it.
Here we go.
Market's open. Waiting for these sellers to step in. Because those wicks on those candles are crazy. On the past two. Look at the 5 minute, looking at the 2 minute.
Oh, yeah. If you look at, I mean, it looks like a 1980s stereo that has a little EQ thing jumping around.
I missed it. I tried taking a quick short there, but I didn't get filled. So that's disappointing. Because that would have probably been a quick $1,000 right there. Unbelievable. Buyers now pushing that price back up. I'm gonna hold off now since I didn't get filled on that one.
Hey, since it's like the first 15 minutes, I was looking at the news, and they say tomorrow the news is going to hit at 8:30. So, you just kind of just look at the reaction on that for the long term, right?
Yeah. I never trade pre-market.
Yeah.
It's very rare. Hit that pivot point. And that's why I did not try jumping back in for another short, because if it doesn't happen on the first one, don't just re-enter all the time. That's my philosophy.
Except when you accidentally click an extra time and then you're back in on the other side of the court.
Well, that's unintentional, so that one's slightly different.
I know, but that was what happened yesterday to me. I'm like, oh wow, I'm on all sides of this game.
All right, we have the overnight high at the 227 for the overnight high. We are above the VWAP, above that 21 EMA now. So we're let's see what we get. It's only been 2 minutes in.
Yeah, it's only 2 minutes. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
On trading view, what is the ticker? Search up again, because I don't think it's popping up correctly.
Say that one more time. You said the ticker?
Yeah, ticker for on trading view. Like
for the price?
For futures. Yeah, for futures. Yeah.
It's NQ.
NQ?
Yeah, so yours should be just NQ 925.
Oh, okay. It's not
That's
like that.
That's not on TradingView though. That's on Ninja. So on TradingView it should be NQ1.
NQ1?
Yep.
I don't know. It's not showing the exact situation that's going on Ninja.
Yeah, be careful. Be careful.
Get a nice bull flag, and then we can kind of get some.
Yep. Popping above that wick on that 1 minute right there. Tapping that high once again for this session so far.
What is that? 23,227.
That's the overnight high that we just hit.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna trade today.
Yep, don't do it. If it's not looking normal, don't do it. Let's see if we get a pullback here, build us another bull flag.
Well, there's a yawn in there. I'm going to protest that on no yawn.
No yawning. Looking at the 2 minute, we got those wicks on the past 3 candles on the 2 minute there.
Yeah.
On top. So sellers definitely trying to step in. Let's see what we get. There they go.
They go retracing.
Oh, I'll take that. 750 right there on that trade. Quick little short. Yeah, I could have stayed in and gotten a little bit more, but what do we say? Lock in the profits. That's it. So now wait. Now I gotta wait almost 20 minutes without taking a trade. Because I'm gonna lock this 750 in on this account and wait for the other ones to be able to trade, and we'll just keep it moving.
Did you get a ticket in to find out what in the world was going on?
Honestly, I haven't submitted it, to be honest with you. It happens randomly. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's just so bizarre.
But at 10 o'clock, it'll work. That's the craziest part.
It's like a union server, and that's when the guy comes in and turns it on. I'm here for my kids.
Looks like we may be getting another bear flag here on that 1 minute. Let's see if we push up slightly. I will say, ever since, how do I put it? Ever since starting the community, I have probably been doing some of the best trading I've done since I started last year, consistently trading.
Because you're walking like you talk. You came up with a system, and you even said there's times you jump out ahead, but you're really just leaning on your rules. Except for the occasional scalp, so it's just proof that the concept that you birthed is working.
Yeah. Well, I'm thankful for you guys because you guys are keeping me disciplined. Just hit that VWAP right there. VWAP is down at, just so you guys know, 23,158.50. So we tap that. Buyers start buying it back up. We get below that VWAP. We have to, I feel, I feel like we got to go back down to the 23,091, the close from yesterday. That's just my opinion. I'm not an expert. I will say that all the time. I'm not an expert. I just started before you guys.
To listen to you, not be an expert. You rule. I'm going to take this time to show respect to the community again. I know, because in the world it doesn't happen that way. So I'm just grateful for, for you, of course, and you're sharing this, and then also, the other, the legends on the call. I mean, it's just like I said, like what David was saying yesterday, he's like, out in California, making it work, man, and that's respect.
No, 100%. I'm just happy as well, Dave, for you, that you decided to really take this seriously, because you trading while on the road, that just lets me know you're all in. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, I've said it from the very beginning, trading is one of the best things, any best things that any one of us can do, but you have to have the discipline to show up to do it, and I commend you for showing up each and every day, no matter where you're at. And that's why I made sure I showed up when I was in Portugal, because at the end of the day, you guys show up every single day for these streams. So I want to show up for you guys without taking a break from it, because I love this at the end of the day.
Well, and the thing is, like, you take a break. Like when I was camping last week, and it was just like, I felt like it was like, it took me like a couple of days to get back into the field. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's just nice to, this group has blessed me in so many different ways, and it's just like I say, you know how I feel. And
yep.
You already wrote down the compliments and all that, so you can read them again. I just, it humbles me too. It like blesses me, because like we've known each other so long, and to kind of come back to this, just like it's been really nice, man.
Yeah.
I've always had a good time, like when we were doing whatever we were doing, if it was like Covenant Connection or whatever. And so this is like the same kind of thing, man. But it's just like, and it's like the same victory.
Yeah. No, I completely agree. Looks like they're trying to build out a bear flag here above the VWAP. We're slightly above the VWAP right now.
Yeah, I appreciate it for sure. Thank you for. It's tough trading on the road, man, because like at my house, like I got a big old monitor that I use for like doing other things and stuff. So I'll have the whole chart set up, but I just want to be consistent.
Yeah.
So I can get off the road.
Yeah.
And focus on that full time.
Dave, you're inspiring me, man. You know what I mean? Like with with what you do. So I mean, it's just like, seriously, man. It's just like, it's awesome.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
And I know what it's like to be sitting in the bunk. You know what I mean? So it's just like, I got extra respect there.
Let's see if we get a bear flag on this 5 minute. We got a minute 30 left till the next candle.
Yeah, TradingView is definitely a setup. I'm not trusting it.
Yeah, don't. It could actually be the Ninja, because the TradingView, that's normally pretty spot on, to be honest with you.
Morning, fellas.
Good morning, Mr. G. Welcome to the stream, sir.
What's up, man?
Another day in paradise, brother. Another day in paradise.
I'm about to join y'all. I'm pulling into the crib now.
Hey, we're here. We're here 5 days a week, same time every day.
All right.
Wow, look at that rip right back up. Wow, right back to that pivot point.
A lot of consolidating. So you think it's best to link it from to a broker? That's probably why it's not getting the data.
It should be getting the data. Wow, look at this rip. Woo! Woo!
Damn, that thing shot up.
It just hit the 15 minute.
Yep. 9:45.
Damn.
I might have a breakout.
I'm still cautious, only because we got these wicks on these previous candles, letting me know that these sellers are trying to keep this price down. And eventually the bears or the bulls are going to get tired. Or the bears are going to get tired. But we got that pivot point. We're going to come back down to it, tap it. Let's see if we bounce off of it, keep pushing up. If we keep going below it, then we may start selling off here. We'll see.
Yeah.
Right now, acting as support. We're hugging that pivot point. And for everyone watching on the YouTube stream, this line right here where it says PP, that is for pivot point. Congratulations, now you know. Yep, we're hugging this pivot point right now, so let's see what we get.
That's crazy. Like the Bears want that price point.
Yep, they want it down. They want the price down. But the Bulls aren't letting them win just yet. Is that my water truck? That sounds like my water truck. No, that's the track. All right, we're good. Honestly, I may be done trading today. Since I gotta wait till 10 o'clock. Moves are already happening. Already up.
We're gonna be in a fan.
We'll see. We'll see.
We know.
Let me actually try to log into this one again. Nope. Unable to connect to remote server. Login failed. Disappointing.
Where do you think we're going next?
Well, right now we're breaking out of the 15-minute range. If we continue, we don't go back into the 15-minute range right now. The next target I feel will be the 268 level. But on the first breakouts of the 15-minute range, I'm always hesitant, only because it likes to normally come back down to the 15. So. Right back into that 15-minute range. That's what I was talking about happening. That's why I don't take the first push out of the 15-minute range, personally.
That makes sense.
What I love about trading, it's a creature of habit. So it normally continues to do the same exact thing consistently. Going to probably touch that pivot point once again. That magnet's pulling it back down. We've had these wicks on these candles, so patiently waiting until 10 o'clock for me so I can trade my other accounts. All right, there's that pivot point once again. Does everyone understand what the wicks mean on the top and bottom of the candles currently? I know I talk about it, but I gotta ask.
Yeah, I do. I understand. You explained it pretty well. Like, from the bottom, that's the buyers pushing it up, and then from the top, that's the sellers like pushing it down.
Yep, perfect. Just want to make sure, because I never want to assume that everyone knows what I'm talking about. So.
My bad. I missed it. What I missed?
I just said how I'm gonna kick you out of the community. But since you're back, I guess I'll let you stay.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I don't think that's fair.
I don't think that's fair.
You look at the 50-minute chart, it's like retracing.
Yeah.
It's like the sellers is going crazy right now.
I've been telling you, there's been a lot of selling pressure from open today. Lots of selling pressure. We're below the middle of the 15-minute range now. Still above the VWAP. I'm expecting us to keep pushing down, to be honest with you. We're going to use this pivot point as resistance. So it's going to tap in and keep pushing back down, I feel, with all the selling pressure. Now I'm just hoping it waits until 10 o'clock so I could get on my other account so I could trade them, so I could capitalize. Want to see a nice little bear flag right now.
And the buyers, they woke up.
They're trying. But there's too much selling pressure.
But they got some coffee in their system.
I just want this bear flag to print like right at 10 o'clock. That's what I would prefer. Oh, buyer's still trying to push it up. Just engulfed that previous 2-minute candle. Still not trusting it though.
Are you doing any doodling at this point?
I'm not doing doodling, but I can. I haven't needed the doodling since I'm not taking trades on this account since I have it up 750 for the day.
I just made 165 on that one.
There we go.
I did it, just a little bit of a scalp.
Yep. Scalps are good. I love scalping.
Yeah, I'm here because I realized I was relying too heavily on the scalps. So I need to doodle too, and then concentrate on the big moves so I can, fully embrace.
Yep. Breaking out of that 15-minute range once again, but right back into the 15-minute range. Those sellers stepped right in there.
I don't know. It's a little fishy to me today. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, it's volatile. It's volatile. Up, down, all around. That's it.
Yeah, they're consolidating crazy right now.
The volatility of the legacy wealth society.
Right, that's what it is, right? When they're doing that, it's like consolidating. Hopefully,
no, right now it's not really consolidating. The buyers are trying to push, but we got these wicks on these candles that are making me hesitant to buy, only because those sellers from open have been consistently selling this right back. You see?
Boy, I'm looking at it right now.
Like,
Wow.
Yeah, I'm gonna chill right now. I'm definitely going. I'm not finna place a trade on the mobile.
yep,
Not
nope.
finna do that. I'm good. I ain't gonna lie, Steve. You got more balls than me. I tell you that.
This could be a bull flag slightly on that 1 minute and looking at the 2 minute as well. But I'm not trusting it only because with these sellers right now, I need to see the selling pressure slow down to make me feel more confident to take some buys. Yeah, bud. Can't find a charger? Give me a couple minutes. I'll help you find it. Use Tristan's charger.
I think I'll place a trade after 10:30 or something. 10:15.
Let me
Yeah, I'll
go.
wait. I'll wait.
I'll wait. Hey, this is the best type of market. I love when it's extremely volatile, being honest with you guys, because that's when I make the most money. Because it's easier to read the Renko bars.
There's no time right now, right? Coming out anytime soon?
No news.
News?
I'm checking right now. There's no news coming out.
Okay.
But still, remember those whole times of 10, 11, 12s, you still want to be cautious around those time frames.
Yeah.
But like this would be a good time for scalping because you're easily able to. Well, you can read the Renko bars very easily. Yes, Duane. Tell him I said so.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
The wrinkle bars pretty much give you like that.
it's easier to read because with the faster movements, it's easier for your eyes to catch it, so you could jump in for a buy or a sell.
Okay.
One thing that I did is I took my 1 minute and I put it on the right side, and then and so it's like right under the wrinkle bars, and I have the 2 minutes to the left and then the 5 minutes to the left, so I can kind of see them both at the same time.
Send them to me. Children.
Yeah, I'm only negative $2 right now.
Hey, that's still a good day. Could be a whole lot worse.
That was early because I was just trying how to use the mobile app.
Okay. Just waiting for 10 o'clock.
On the phone?
What happened?
You said on the phone?
Yeah, the mobile app, yeah. I don't recommend it.
Come on, sir. Let me use your charger, please.
Alright.
I don't recommend it.
I'm sticking to what Duane told me. He's like, man, with the Windows, I got my Windows laptop. I'm gonna just use that.
Yeah, definitely. Way better.
Those sellers step in once again. I'm 30 seconds from 10 o'clock, less than that now. Hoping I could get in to my other account. Let me prepare myself. Because
Yeah, crazy breakout. crazy breakout. Somebody's gonna give up.
Yep.
I don't know. I feel like the buyers might end up giving up today because these sellers is like they got off the plane and
They got the point.
yeah, we selling today. I don't know. It's just look.
All right, so that's not very disappointing. Still not letting me in. Let me jump over here. Let me see if I can log in and trade evade.
Crazy.
Nope, can't even log in on trade evade. So, alrighty. Well,
That's crazy.
let me. Let's see if I can rotate to this one.
Wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
Well, around those whole times, just after 10 o'clock.
Look like it's going down. Oh.
I see some bull flags.
Yeah,
Nice ones.
that was a clean bull flag. Somewhat clean right here. Pole coming up, coming down, push right up. And we cleared those wicks as well. But, as you can see here, these sellers are not giving up today.
Nah.
They all is day.
They
Are we close to a pivot point?
the next pivot point is at 303.
You said 303?
Yeah, 303.
We're not that far.
Nope.
About 40 points away, I think. Close to 40 points.
Yep.
No.
First target would be right at the 268 level. We get there, then we'll most likely hit the go up to that pivot point.
Ooh, that's nice. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh. Yeah, they pushing towards that 303. I ain't gonna lie.
I scratched? Unbelievable. That's crazy. I took a trade and I scratched. So I didn't make anything. I didn't lose anything. I closed it in profit, but I scratched. That's my sign not to trade this account. I will keep it at the 750 today.
I'm up $7.
Hey, we'll take it.
Oh, you jumped in, Dave?
Dave's always jumping in.
Oh, okay. Ooh, look like it's going up, not bad.
Hey, so sorry, what was that pivot point, baby?
It was at 303.
Yeah.
303.
Yeah, 303.
Damn, what's going on? I'm tempted.
Tempted. I understand that temptation, sir. I understand that one.
So, Duane, were you able to get on at all?
I was not. Wrong thing. I'll try again here.
I see a bull bear flag forming. Bull flag forming. I mean,
No. Failed to connect to a remote server. So, thankfully, I do have my Apex accounts. That's when we were in Portugal. I talked about getting some more with them. Because when this issue happens, if I don't have other accounts, I can't trade. And I enjoy trading. So. So I'm actually going to purchase another Apex account right now. And I'll just sit with you guys. I'll pass it real quick to give me another paid funded account with them. My face. Alright, just got that. Do I get one more past two of them to give me 3 fundeds with them? Yeah, might as well, since we're here.
Too, I can see that we have our bull flags starting.
yeah. It's not that far. It's about, what, 20 points away from that,
That's 303.
12 points and a half. Oh, yeah.
2, 74, 7.
That's done. Just got 2 more Apex accounts, but now I gotta pass them.
And then Apex, you need to pass more than 5 trading days, right? Just 5 days in a row, right?
No, for
Just made $90.
good job. No, so with
My bad.
You jumped in the day?
of course he jumped in. Of course he
You
did.
wasn't doing it.
Sorry, that bull flag. I'm sorry. It's not even far from the pivot point. I ain't gonna lie, I trust the pivot point. I'm sorry. I trust that pivot point.
That's funny. I know. So with Apex, you there's no set time limit with them on how long to pass your eval. You can pass that in 1 day, but for them you have to trade for 8 trading days. In 5 of those 8 days, you have to make like 150 or $50, something like that. I forget. Apex just has more rules than Tradeify.
Gotcha.
That's why I didn't recommend them to you guys, only because as a beginner with Apex, you're most likely going to break one of the rules. Because I've had plenty of payouts denied by them because they said I broke a rule. But
Yeah, I don't know.
it's a 90-10 split with them. Well, your first $25,000 that you earn and could withdraw, you get straight to your pocket. Then after that, it goes to a 90-10 split. So their split is better than Tradeify, but you just have to jump through more hurdles. There's that selling again. Let me disconnect.
It formed that bull flag. That's why I got in, but I guess it denied it. I guess. It's not that far from that 303.
Logged in. Let's see, are they in? Yeah, there they go. Let me try connecting to Tradeify, see if it works now. Oh, Tradeify connected.
Okay.
Take profit connected. It did.
You did it?
No, it did. It just let me on it.
Okay, that's good.
Alrighty. Well, I guess I will trade one of my fundeds. Can't let you guys have all the fun.
Yeah. I don't know what's going on right now. Them servers is like really working today.
I told you there's a lot of selling pressure today.
You can also see the buyers like fighting. It's like a battle right in front of us.
When someone gives up, it's gonna move.
Big move. But if it retraces right there, I'm be like, God damn. You think if it were to retrace, you think it was smart to get it at the bottom for a bull?
What was that? I was in a trade. My bad.
Oh no, you're good. I was saying like, you think it would be smart to get it at the bottom for a bull if it retraces that, it makes that big bear, but it doesn't go before, but it doesn't go lower than that candle, that green candlestick.
As long as you see the buyers.
Hello?
Yeah.
Is that the 5 minute on the right, 5 minute chart?
You did a sell bid, Duane? Is Duane there?
Dwayne.
Yeah, I think his mic went out.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I see. He got out of that quick.
I'm gonna send him a message.
Yeah, send him a message. Let him know if he's we can't hear him.
Yes, sir. I'm on it now.
Oh, he sees us. He sees us.
Oh, can you hear me now?
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I got out of there.
I saw that.
I got out of there. So as soon as I was up, I said, I'm out because I thought it was going to be.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yeah, we're good. Yeah, we can hear you now.
Okay.
Yeah, I definitely got out of there before. I was like, heck yeah.
You did a what? You did a bit. You did a buy bid.
Yeah, I did a buy bid.
Okay, you thought it was gonna shoot back up.
Yeah, but I closed it before it went back down, so I'm up.
He's doing a little. Well,
Yeah, I'm gonna chill. It's just too much, and I'm on my phone, so yeah, I'm not doing this.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah,
we
we
can.
can.
We can hear you.
Hello?
Can you hear us?
Yeah, we can hear you.
No, I'm talking about Duane.
Yeah, I don't think he can hear us. I'm gonna shoot him a text message so we can hear you on there.